This is Mr. Rugercat 45, and I just finished doing a video on EDC knives. And well, a few days ago I got a new knife, and I kind of forgot to show you all in that video that new knife. So here it is. And this might be the perfect combination of not only traditional, classic, and new EDC, but it might just be the perfect kind of everything knife. It's the Cold Steel Lone Star Hunter. I know if you've seen the video, you saw some of the old traditional two-blade folding hunters. Take a look at this. They look a lot alike, don't they? In fact, they look like brothers. Now this one right here, it's got a heck of a lot stronger lock. This one don't have a lock at all. This one's got two blades. This one's got one. But those of you that like traditional knives, you may just love this knife. Wonderful, wonderful knife. It's got a very, very slick opening. It's a liner lock. No, not a liner lock. What am I talking about here? It's a back lock. It's got the triad lock on it, and it's a pocket clip folder. Now, if you don't like the pocket clip, you can take that off. If you really don't like the pocket clip and don't like any trace of it, you can take the pocket clip off, put the screws back in, and then polish the screw heads off, and at least on one side it won't look like there's nothing there at all. So that's for you guys that really don't like pocket clips. I don't mind, because you can carry it in your pocket also. It's a beautiful knife. I really wish I had bought this one sooner. It just might be a perfect carry knife. I'm not saying it's a perfect defensive knife, but a perfect carry knife, because this one looks a heck of a lot more innocuous and I guess people friendly than a lot of the other black, serrated tactical knives that look like something a Navy SEAL might carry, which there's nothing wrong with that in my opinion. But very sharp 4-inch blade, razor sharp edge, like everything Cold Steel produces. It's got just a very classic, old-fashioned look to it, with a lot of new innovations to it. The triad lock, they say that that's the strongest lock they found, and from what I've seen on their proof videos, I've got no reason to doubt that. I'm not sure how much this one held, if they even tested it. I think, don't quote me on this, but look on their proof videos and look up the Lone Star Hunter, and you'll see how much weight it held if they tested it. It cut a heck of a lot of manila cord, though, I know that, so definitely it holds up in the edge department. Well, there it is. Might just be the perfect EDC knife. It's one of those knives that's going to grow on you, I guess, the more you carry it and use it. Thank you.